National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with strong rotation moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This dangerous storm could produce a tornado at any time.
Well, I don't have the XM satellite subscription. You want to buy mine? Got the box and shit there. Come on.
It's trying.
Like, you can pay it.
Wow.
And,
What'd you think I was doing?
I was just looking to see what your Zoom level was.
Oh, okay.
It is going that way.
I ain't getting any closer.
Huh? Oh, girl, the one in Texas 2 weeks ago, we were a mile from it.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thanks for warning me. Thanks for saying, hey, Jackson has
You can find that on their new album, Change.
We're, yeah, go ahead.
It's an opinion that didn't get out. For just a few minutes of your time, you can release.
We're about probably a mile and a half from it.
You can get that opinion out. Take our listener music survey at yourcountrystation.net. Just click the Country Hits button. Yourcountrystation.net. We'll make your opinion feel worth living. An opinion is a terrible thing to waste.
Come on now. Slow down!
Yeah.
Slow down, we're not even there yet.
Well, we don't have to go 100.
Oh, right? 70. They were keeping up with us back there. This is it. Can't forget about the rotation all around us. I know, right?
I know, look at that. Look at there. Like, rotating
Alright, well, hold up. We're gonna rain. It could be a little bit of both, so just hold up. This is good right here. We need to find a road. See if you can find us a road that goes north. Or, yeah. It's right there, guys. like reversed, man.
Look at it.
Come up around you.
Now we're gonna walk.
That's
Hey,
pretty
you
much
guys are ruining it.
Yeah. I figured it was going to leapfrog over to the northeast.
Do you want to hop out my window?
It sure is pulling hard though.
Yeah, 'cause that RFD came across here and I was like, whoa, wait a minute.
I know, that's why.
There it is. Look. Look at all the debris over there.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Or what is that?
Like,
Something.
bird?
Hey, just when y'all take off, I believe that's police right there.
Yeah, it probably is.
We're on the back side of it now. This sucks. It's definitely got a lot of updraft though. Hey, can we get somewhere where that fucking hill's not in our way?
No, we can go up to that highway and cut back east. Just stay up behind it.
Need to. We don't need to be on the back side. Look, it's spinning over there.
Alright.
Yeah.
Are you in? Just don't drive too fast. I wish I could zoom in. Maybe.
Legend. Damn right we are. Look at that baby. Look at it. What? Holy shit, there's another one right in front of us. Hey, stop. Pull over right here. We can't, we gotta let that pass. Close. Right? We were fixing to. You just hold your britches.
So you're telling me I need to put on a pin so if I get
Okay, well they're gonna go around you then. I guess they don't care.
You going?
Yeah, I guess.
two.
Can't go too fast because Travis is coming on my fucking window.
OHP's got this. They can transmit, they can see it now. That thing's a beauty. It's a beauty.
Yeah, this is not plastic.
Oh my god. Hey, good thing your phone is waterproof.
I'm curious, how close you got going to get? I'll let it go. Throw it over the top.
Yeah, we're not gonna go.
Yeah, you can get a little closer.
Here comes Top.
So we're not gonna let it like.
Let them by you. Let them by you. There's cops coming.
That's what I'm doing.
Once they pass, go. Yeah, don't let nobody else fucking pass. Hey, get over here.
Hold on.
That's crazy. I hope that's not going through a town.
Okay, so where did that second one go?
It's right over there. It's right in front of us. Woo! I gotta keep cleaning the limbs off. I know. Oh my God, it's coming in front of us now. Just be careful because there could be another one come down out of this. I'm sure one of the
I've got a race back right there.
Oh, get the soap. It's out. Woo! This rope is a badass rope. It's a 90-degree angle. Look at that. Fixing to go across the street. Get up there. It's small enough. It's small enough. It's not going to do anything. Okay, just it's gone.
Look at that fucking path though.
That other one might be still going though, so.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Happy we saw 2 tornadoes.
That'd be free for us.
That whole thing.
Is it recording?
Yeah, make sure you zoom in on it.
How do I zoom?
In the center there.
Do I push up or down or left or right?
Center there. Right here in the center. Yeah.
This? I push. Oh, there's. I got you.
Hey, we need to stay sideways. We don't get shit if we're going front towards it.
I can't do both.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is awesome.
Oh my God.
This is awesome.
Oh my God.
Woo!
Holy shit.
That's
Oh,
all. Rain wrapped tornado. It's going now. Well, I can barely
Yeah,
see
you
it.
can still see it. I wish lightning was.
God damn, that's huge.
It is.
That reminds me of the camp tornado. Get us north. I know, right? And out of that smell.
Yeah. Yeah,
That's at least an E4. EF4. If it hits anything.